Sometimes when I'm writing smart contracts, I quickly want to test a few functions to see if they go as I plan or if they can be easily manipulated in a certain way. And I don't want to write a proper Foundry test because, like I said, it's just minute and I want to focus more on building rather than testing. And these are times I miss Remix because I know with Remix, I can quickly test with a few buttons and have my way. But VS Code, no. But guess what, guys? There's a solution now. Ackee Blockchain just released an extension, and their extension can help you test your smart contract in VS Code with a Remix-like UI. In this video, I'll quickly show you how you can do that efficiently.
The first thing you'll do is to come to your VS Code, come under the extension bar, then type Ackee. This is the extension. Come here. I have it installed already. Install it, and you can check out the features before you install or while installing. Once this is installed, then you can come to your. Now I'll be using Foundry's counter.so to check this out. So this is the normal Foundry's counter.so contract. Then I added a couple of functions, two functions for decrementing and multiplication. It's time to test. So come here, Solidity deploy and say compile all. Now there's an issue if you are using any version that is beyond 0.8.26. It is flagging it, so that's one of the things I'm discovering about it. As you can see, it skipped a couple of contracts because of compilation version issue, and it's skipped them. So I would advise you to use 0.8.6 downward if you want Ackee to catch your contract. So you can say compile. Then we have this contract that met the compilation criteria. Let's deploy counter. Successfully deployed counter. Contract address, which is the one we have here. Call trace, you can check call trace, zero constructor arguments, receipts. You can read this here. If you want to go low level and read more contract details, so here you go. Now let's try to interact with the contract. When you want to interact with the contract, you come to deploy contracts. Then let's say counter. You click on it. Then you can see some of the public functions or external functions you have created there. Now let's set the number to 10. Number set as 10. You can see successfully call counter the set number, new number 10. Let's multiply it by 2. Multiply. Let's check number again. 20. 20, you can see. Let's increment. It should be 21. Number again, 21. Let's decrease. Number again, 20. Let's do whatever. So this shows you can decrease, increase, multiply this number. You can just test it to see how it goes right within your VS Code with the Ackee extension.
Now, if you've been following some of my videos on how you can write proper Foundry tests, you might be like, John, do I still need to learn how to write proper Foundry tests since there is an extension like this? Well, the answer is yes, because if you're a smart contract security researcher, you have to submit POCs with your finding, and you cannot attach a video of you testing with Ackee extension with your finding. So you still need to know how to test with proper Foundry. Then, if you're a smart contract developer, you should still know how to write proper tests because you'll be able to attach those tests to your contract and it can be pushed to GitHub or anywhere you want to push it. So there is this balance you should keep in mind. This extension, as far as I'm concerned, is more for you to test things quickly, locally, and kind of see how things go. But if you want to really push out things, you should write proper Foundry test for them. I hope this is helpful. If you've been enjoying some of my videos so far, do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.